Morning today students. In this class we are going to learn about IoT system management with netconfig and it is the protocol and ANG. Outline of this lecture: need for IoT system management, SNMP, network operator requirements, netconf, ANG, IoT systems management with netcan and ANG. So with the netconf is the protocol and ANG is the technique we are using in the IoT systems management. Need for IoT systems management. What is the need for IoT systems management? Automating configuration, monitoring operational statistical data, improved reliability, system-wide configurations, multiple system configurations, retrieving and reusing configurations. Here the configuration is the very important topic in the systems management. Automating configuration, monitoring operational and statistical data, improving reliability, system-wide configurations, multiple system configurations, retrieving, reusing configurations. This is the need for IoT systems management. SNMP. We listen about the protocol, simple network management protocol, and this is the diagrammatic presentation. Here we observe that is the network management station, SNMP agent, management information base MIB is the managed device. Here the managed device has two components, SNMP agent and MIS, management information base. This is the network management station. Explanation: SNMP is a well-known and widely used network management protocol that allows monitoring and configuring network devices such as routers, switches, servers, printers, etc. So it is the network management protocol. It allows monitoring and configuring network devices such as routers, switches. SNMP component include NMS, network management station, already we observe in the diagram, managed device, management information base, SNMP agent that runs on the device. These are the four components: NMS, network management station, managed device, management information base MIB, SNMP agent that runs on the device. These are the components in the SNMP. Limitations of SNMP. SNMP is a stateless in nature and each SNMP request contains all the information to process the request. The application needs to be intelligent to manage the device. So the limitation of the SNMP is to contain all the information to process the request and needs to be intelligent to manage the device. Another one is a connectionless protocol which uses UDP as the transport protocol. It uses UDP, making it unreliable as there was no support for acknowledgement of requests. It is the connectionless protocol. It uses UDP and it is unreliable. There was no support for acknowledgement requests. MIBs often lack writable objects with which device configuration is not possible using SNMP. It is difficult to differentiate between configuration and state data in MIB. Retrieving the current configuration from a device can be difficult with SNMP. So retrieving the current configuration from a device can be difficult. Earlier versions of SNMP did not have strong security features. These are the limitations of SNMP. So network operator requirements, whatever the requirements, network operator: ease of use, distinction between configuration and state data, fetch configuration and state data separately, configuration of the network as a whole, configuration transactions across devices, configuration deltas, dump and restore configurations, configuration validation, configuration database schemas, comparing configurations, role-based access control, consistency of access control lists, multiple configuration sets, support for both data-oriented and task-oriented access control. These are the network operator requirements. NetConf. It is the protocol. NetConf, Network Configuration Protocol, is a session-based network management protocol. SNMP is a stateless protocol, whereas NetConf is a session-based network management protocol. It allows retrieving state or configuration data and manipulating configuration data on network device. Retrieving state or configuration data and manipulating configuration data on network devices. In the diagrammatic presentation, we observe that content, operations, RPC or notification, transport, client, and ANG defined server, netcon, configuration, data store, ANG defined. So client, content, configuration data, what we require, operations, get conf, edit configuration, RPC or notification, here transport, TLS, console, SSH, and ANG defined server. The client and server, and here the content, operations, RPC or notifications, netconf, configuration data store, ANG defined. So the important points about NetConf: it's a protocol, works on SSH transport protocol. Transport layer provides end-to-end connectivity and ensure reliable delivery of messages. NetConf uses XML encoded remote procedure calls for framing request and response messages. The RPC layer provides mechanisms for encoding of RPC calls and notifications. And net configuration is the protocol provides various operations to retrieve and edit configurations data from network devices. The content layer consists of configuration and state data, which is XML encoded, and the schema of the configuration and state data is defined in a data modeling language called ANG. Here ANG is the data modeling language. The schema of configuration and state data is defined in a data modeling language called ANG. So configuration and state data is using the ANG data modeling language. NetConf provides a clear separation of the configuration and state data. The configuration data resides within a NetConf configuration data store on the server. ANG. ANG is a data modeling language used to model configuration and state data manipulated by the NetConf protocol. Already we observed that it is the modeling language used to. ANG is a data modeling language used to model configuration and state data. ANG modules contain the definitions of the configuration data, state data, RPC calls that can be issued and the format of the notifications. ANG modules defines the data exchanged between the NetConf client and server. A module comprises of a number of leaf nodes which are organized into a hierarchical tree structure. The leaf nodes are specified using the leaf or leaf list constructs. Leaf nodes are organized using container or list constructs. A YANG module can import definitions from other modules. Constraints can be defined on the data nodes. Example, allowed values. ANG can model both configuration data and state data using the config statement. So here the information about the ANG. ANG modules contain the definitions of the configuration data. ANG modules defines the data exchanged between the netconf client and server. Module comprises a number of leaf nodes. Leaf nodes are specified using the leaf or leaf list construct. Leaf nodes are organized using the container or list. ANG modules can import definitions from other modules. Constraints can be defined on the data nodes, allowed values. ANG can model both configuration data and state data using the config statement. ANG module example. ANG module example. Here we are observing that this ANG module is a ANG version of the toaster MIB. The toaster ANG module begins with the header information followed by identity declarations which define various bread types. So ANG module is a ANG version of the toaster MIB. The toaster ANG module begins with the header information followed by identity declarations which define various bread types. The leaf nodes, toaster manufacturer, toaster model number and toaster status are defined in the toaster container. Each leaf node definition has a type and optionally a description and default value. The module has two RPC definitions, make toast and cancel toast. This is the information regarding. So ANG is the module. It is a ANG version of the toaster MIB. Toaster ANG module begins with the header information followed by identity declarations. The leaf nodes, each leaf node definition has a type and optionally a description. The module has two RPC definitions, make toast and cancel toast. IoT system management with netconf and ANG. This is our concept. So IoT system management possible the netconf ANG. This is the structure. Here netconf and here is the ANG module and this is the netconf and netconf server IoT device and here the netconf and IoT device and management systems and ANG module. The picture can be observed in the PPT very clearly. We coming to the discussion part. IoT system manager, management system, management API, transaction manager, rollback manager, data model manager, configuration validator, configuration database, configuration API, data provider API. These are the components. Management system, management API, transaction manager, rollback manager, data model manager, configuration validator, configuration database, configuration API, data provider API. By this we conclude this class. Thank you and meet tomorrow's class. Thank you.